Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to this channel on real home product reviews and do-it-yourself jobs. I'm your host, so to speak, a tightwad wannabe handyman trying to save you all money out there. In this video, we're going to be installing this water filter on a refrigerator. This happens to be kind of a universal water filter. It fits a variety of refrigerator models. I'll put a link in the description below. Be sure to check to make sure it's compatible with your fridge. Check out your instruction manual for your refrigerator to be sure. But this is it all wrapped up here. We've used this several times and seems to do the trick. It is not a generic, so you'll pay a little bit more for it. But again, I'd rather pay a little bit more knowing that the water quality in the refrigerator coming out that door is indeed the highest. Now note the arrow on the bottom of the unit, and of course it is capped still. So let's get this thing switched out. Let's open up the refrigerator, and on the top right here, obviously your fridge may be different. So again, read your instruction manual, right? That'll tell you how this works. You're gonna open up that little door, and it kind of already, it's like a push mechanism, so it should just slide right out. That door is built to kind of push it the final inch or so to inject it and seal it really well. So we're just going to slide that out. Note that the arrows were pointed up. That's important. You don't want to put it sideways or down or anything that would run the risk of not creating a perfect seal with those two little rubber black gaskets you can see there. We're going to take the purple plastic cap off and recycle that, and we will, with the arrows pointed up, insert that as the old one was. And we'll slide it about as far as it'll go. You'll feel it kind of stop, and then the door will start to kind of close a little bit by itself. So we'll close the door up and snap it all the way closed. Make sure it is indeed snug. And that is all there is to it. Don't forget to reset the indicator on the door. To do so, you just hold down the water filter button for several seconds. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for being with me. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more content. Thanks.